Attached to this video is a link where I spoke about tech communities you can leverage as a techie. So right in this video, I will show you how you can join the Microsoft communities. Alright, let's dive in. Alright, so all you need to do now is just go on your Google, as you can see on your screen, and then you type learn.microsoft.com. So just like what you can find on your screen, you just type on your Google learn.microsoft.com. Alright, so you have it pop up, and then you click on it. So you have this. So on Microsoft Learn, there are other features, there are other stuff you can dive into. You can learn a skill, you can pick up a skill any of the on Microsoft tools and learn. But yeah, we are trying to I want to show you how you can join the Microsoft community. So you scroll down to find that. And you see we have training, we have conferences. You just need to scroll down to find Microsoft community. That's what we are diving to. Alright, here we are. So join our community, so you click on join our community. Then you have this, then you click on community ops. So now you have all the community. We have different, we have dynamic community, we have power platform community. So let us click on power platform community. So for instance, you want to join the power platform community, you can join any of the community if you want. So now here we have this, and then can you see over of thousands of users. So it's a community you can join as a tech person or as a Microsoft Microsoft tool user. So you want to actually master how to use a Microsoft tool. So this is one of the platform you can join. You can join on the platform. So they have physical classes, they have online events. Like now, but we've joined the Power Platform community, so we get to see their forthcoming events, like their monthly events and their physical events. So these platforms will help you gain mastery in any of the Microsoft tools and as a tech person in your field. Alright, so I'll stop here. I remain a Steve. Bye.